The basic premise behind black holes is that when an object is compressed down under tremendous forces beyond a certain threshold, it will collapse in on itself with no way to stop it. The most fundamental way that we know this to occur is by the death of a large enough star after it has exhausted its nuclear fuel. The star must contain at least 2 solar masses, or 2 times the mass of our sun, to collapse into a black hole. There are no mechanisms in nature that would be able to counteract the crushing gravitational forces. In fact, a 2 solar mass black hole would be relatively small, since there are supermassive black holes that are found at the center of galaxies that can be billions of solar masses in size. On the opposite end of the scale, there are primordial black holes that range in sizes even being smaller than atoms. These would be very rare and likely only created under the intense conditions and pressures of our young universe closely after the Big Bang. Of the few that could have been created, they would be slowly evaporating. Once these primordial black holes shrink down to the size of an atomic nucleus, they would still weigh on the order of 1 billion tons, but they would destroy themselves in an extremely powerful explosion. Their mass would be converted into energy that would be 1 trillion times more powerful than the most powerful nuclear detonations ever made on Earth.